art friends, get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing the face of a lab today. Probably one of the cutest dogs. All right, so to start with, we're going to come up here. We're going to draw kind of a curvy line like that. Then another curvy line like that. And then we're going to draw it down. But it's not going to be super straight. Then we're going to draw a curved line like so. And then we're going to come in here like so and do some little nose holes. And then we're going to draw a line underneath there like that. All right. Now we're going to come down from that and out like so. And we're going to come down and around like that. And there is his mouth. And then we're going to come down from his nose hole and back up in like so. There we are. And then we have a little ear over here, but you can't really see it because it's behind, because she's looking this way. All right, then we have the ear coming out on this side, which is kind of similar to that side. It's gonna come out at an angle and then come back down. And when it gets to about here, then it comes back up and comes in just a little bit like that. And there's her ear. Then for her eye, it's gonna start right here and it's just gonna kind of come up. Then we're gonna put the eye here and we're gonna fill it in, leaving some white. There we go. And then we have another eye right here and it's gonna come down and it's gonna fill in kind of the same as the other one. There we go. Oh, now she's got some expression. All right, and then we've got a few little whiskers. All right, and then we're gonna draw a line coming down, and it's gonna curve a little bit. And then we're gonna draw another line coming back, because this lady's, she's laying down. All right, and then we've got some little chesty lines here. Another little chesty line here. Oh, she's adorable. Okay, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania.